So in a real-time cases, we definitely need to know about these volumes. So what are these particular Docker volumes? So Docker volumes are a specific storage that Docker uses to store the data outside of your container. Instead of storing the respective data inside of your container, storing the respective data, whatever the data outside of your container. So why we need to store this particular data outside is normally when a container dies or gets restarted, so everything inside it will get deleted, including the files that you save. But these particular volumes solve that particular problem. Like for example, the volumes, these particular volumes will keep the important data even if the respective container dies or restarted, the data will get stored and share the files between a multiple containers. So if you want to share the respective data, same files or certain things between a multiple containers, you can share that. And easily you can back up the container data. And the volumes which are available, so those are optimized for better speed. And these particular volumes keeps your app code and the data separately. For example, suppose you run a database inside a Docker like MySQL. So imagine that I am running a MySQL inside of a container, and this particular MySQL container, you don't want to lose all the database data if the container gets restarted, right? So what is the thing is, if my respective container gets restarted, the data should not lose. So in this particular case, we will be using this particular volume to save the database files outside of our container.